Welcome back to another Canva tutorial. Today we are going to be designing social media templates, Instagram to be precise. Before we start, let's quickly highlight the importance of having a well-designed Instagram profile. First of all, it makes your business look professional. When people come to your page and they see how organized and neat it looks, it shows a sense of professionalism. Secondly, it attracts clients. So when people come to your page, depending on how organized your page is, it attracts them to want to click and open a post. So when you have scattered or random pictures on your page, it doesn't attract customers to go ahead with you to see what you can offer. Thirdly, it makes you stand out. When you look at other people in the profession and yours is looking, organized, and people go to other fashion brands page and they look at yours, there's always something to make them remember yours. It's easier for them to remember yours just because of how organized and neat it is. So let's get right into it. First of all, log into Canva, create a design as I'm doing now. And of course, as we know, I love using Canva because it's easy to use and Canva always have beautiful templates that we could use. We're going to be going with Instagram posts. Alright, so this is our blank canvas. So we search for templates. Like I said in the last Canva tutorial, so you don't waste time searching for templates you want, it's best for you to have an idea of what you want to design. So first of all, get your keyword search. What niche are you trying to design for? Whatever it is. So you just type. So I'm just going to be putting fashion. I already searched for fashion before, so it's showing on my recent. So I'll just click it fashion. So now that it's shown me all the various fashion templates I can use, next thing I'm going to do is to select the most suitable post, the most suitable template. So take for instance, if I was going to use something like this summer collection, if I'm trying to make a post about sales or discounts, I can't use this because this is talking about a new collection. This is talking about a collection and basically marketing that collection. So if I was looking for something that would speak about sales or discounts, then I have to look for a template that best describes that. Or if I'm going to be using this same template for that, then I will have to redesign it totally to reflect the sales I'm trying to do. So let's say I want to use this template. So I'm trying to advertise a collection, or a new collection that I just made or something. And that thing with when you're designing your template, you should always have your brand colors. But then you should already have your brand colors, and those are colors that you use to create your visuals. For this tutorial, I don't have a brand color, but assuming I have a brand color, take for instance, maybe my brand color was maybe a soft shade of blue and pink. Then the first thing I'll do after choosing my template is to fine-tune the template to reflect my brand colors. So right now I'm having shades of brown and I'm trying to tone it to a blue-pink shade. I'm going to have to edit. So now we have the blue backgrounds. Let me edit this to pink. Because I want it to reflect my brand colors. So you see how I'm just changing this to my brand color. I don't even have to change anything. So so now we've changed it to blue and pink. But however, normally I don't like to stick with the template design. I love to create my own style. If you are going to be sticking with the design, you should also remember, take for instance, this color from a distance is not so catchy. If you're going to be using pink and blue, then you know you should use a darker shade of pink so it pops, so the letters, the text pops when people look at it. And of course, the pictures too. If you observe, these pictures are from the old template and they were created to suit that template. So why I always say start with your background is because from your background you'll be able to put up pictures that could blend with your template. Alright, now let me change this. So what I like to do is I like to have a gradient. I go to elements, blue, pink, gradient. I love to use gradients because they are not as selective. They have a lot of shades. Alright, we can use this. This is perfect. There are a lot of them, but I'm going for this. So first of all, I'm going to delete the background. Delete this. Delete this. Okay. Insert this. Then stretch it to occupy the whole background. We send it to the back. Yeah. Aside the fact that gradient background are usually attractive and beautiful, it gives you option to play with colors, so you're not just sticking to just blue and pink. It gives you like several shades to play with. Another thing I love to do is I love to show my margin. In my last video I explained what these margins were. It shows you that whatever you put within the margin is definitely going to show across all screens or devices, but anything outside the margins may or may not be visible to some screens. So many times when I design, I love to put my designs, within the margin, just so nothing is being cut off. Let's first of all change our pictures. I would go to still on elements. Let me just search for pictures. So let me go to dress. Alright, say something like this is already matching this, so let's delete this and yeah. Okay, so deleted the order and click on photos. So I have I'm just using these random pictures because I'm just making a tutorial. Okay, so I'll use this. Again, you can see the beauty of using gradients because even though these two pictures are different from each other, the background sort of brings them all together. This. Okay, let's look for something else to replace that. This is beautiful. What I tried to do was to center this picture among the three, between the three of them, and between these three, I tried to center this middle pictures. Alright, so next what I'm going to do is, so what I've just done is to, I just gave my own collection. This is an effect on its own. If you want it to be horizontal, go to the effects and remove this curve. Now I want to change the color. Yes, I can also change this. So forget when you design, you are basically playing around. So we have our template ready for Instagram posting.